Hey guys, this is how you customize the Powered by Shopify link down at the bottom of your store to whatever you want it to be. As you can see here in my test store, it says Powered by Shopify, and if I click on it, it gives me the main link to the Shopify web page. Now this is how we go about editing this. So as we did before in our previous video, we go to edit code, type in footer, liquid, and we click on footer.liquid, and we searched Powered by Shopify. So this is the code that you're going to be replacing right here. Now in my case, I am using my link store again. So rather than having the link back to my store, so say for example if you had multiple stores and you wanted one main site, you can have that link pasted on there. So as you can see here, this is the link that you're going to be pasting to. So if I wanted this to be for another store or whatever it is, this is where you would input your link, and this is what you want to name it. So right here it's called the Shopify Stig. I can say Shopify Stig 1 for this example, and then we copy this code. By the way, this code will be in the description, so it's easier for you guys. So Control C, which is copy. Go into here, and you can see the closed bracket, or the open bracket, I should say here. We're going to remove everything up to this small. We're going to paste that into it. Alright, and now make sure you do this right here, the second one. This one is for your desktop version of your website, and this is for your mobile version. So if you don't replace this, you'll still see Powered by Shopify on your phone. You just do that, hit save, and if we go into our store, so it still says test Powered by Shopify, refresh the link, and now it's Powered by Shopify Stig 1. If you don't want the Powered by to be in bold and you just want the same font, if we go back into our code here, this will also be, two versions of this code will be pasted into the description. You just remove the strong where it says right here, delete that, and delete that, and we go like this, copy it, and you can see here, if I replace that, this is just a test, I'm not going to do both, to waste time, and save. And now if we hit refresh, we should see it in normal format, as we said before, Powered by Shopify Stig 1. And the link, obviously we didn't test the link, and this link takes me back to my store. Now this link can be replaced with anything that you want it to be. If you want to link to your YouTube channel, you want to link to your Twitter, whatever it may be, that's how you customize your Powered by Shopify. Thanks again, and make sure you subscribe.